Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This time we'll take you into the world of classic cars by reviewing 25 options that are still available at affordable prices, under $15,000. America is indeed a haven for classic car enthusiasts, and in this video, we will provide recommendations that can fulfill your desire to own a historic vehicle without breaking the bank. Watch until the end and don't skip to discover the full details and what makes these cars so special. Number 1. Today's beautiful car is a 1969 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $8,700. The car is in good condition, equipped with a 327 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Its components include a high-rise aluminum intake manifold, a 650 Holley carburetor, and new headers with a high-flow dual exhaust system. This car has a strong foundation for restoration, with no rust in the trunk, floors, doors, rocker panels, and fenders. Only minor rust at the rear. Overall, the car looks great, sounds solid, and drives well. Additionally, it has the potential to be a high-value investment if restored correctly, as its model and specifications are highly sought after by antique car collectors. Number 2. A 1972 Corvette, priced at $12,300. It features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, but the owner has no time to work on it anymore. They say the original engine still matches the chassis number. Work done on the engine over the past 4 years includes MSD electronics, a 650 Holley carburetor, Edelbrock performance intake manifold, long tube headers, a new radiator, and hoses. All engine compartment wiring has been replaced. The frame is rough and needs repair. The interior is mostly original and varies in condition. Some gauges work, some don't. The owner accepts trades but not projects, no boats or motorcycles. The owner is not a mechanic, so you must come see the car and make a decision. Number 3, a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible, priced at $12,700. It has the original 350 rocket engine. Many restorations have been done over the years: new roof and interior, Flowmaster exhaust, 22, Dunk Mags wheels. The original wheels are available but need treatment and painting. The body also needs painting. There is rust at the bottom of the driver's door. The vehicle has license plates. It's a beautiful car, attracting attention. The engine runs well, as shown in the video earlier. Not interested in trades, motors, boats, ski-doos, and others. This car is a great choice for classic car collectors because, besides its attractive appearance, its engine performance is still good. The owner has made many repairs to keep this car in good condition over the years. Number 4, a 1982 Lincoln Continental Mark, priced at $8,700. This car is equipped with a hydraulic system with 4 batteries and 2 pumps, custom audio system, special paint with red, gold, and orange flakes, deep dish wheels painted to match the body, HID headlights. This car is very beautiful, runs well. The owner is firm on the price, having spent a lot of money on it, but is open to trading for a convertible car. This is the perfect choice for those looking for a classic vehicle with an interesting and unique modern touch. Number 5, a 1973 Cadillac El Dorado, priced at $10,900. It features a 500 Ci V8 engine with a rear end from a Continental, a very unique car. Just passed inspection in May 2024, runs like new, many new parts. Complete steering system, brakes on all 4 wheels, full suspension, fuel tank, fuel lines, brake lines, carburetor, and newly repaired engine heads, so all gaskets, fuel pump, and others have been replaced. Body needs attention. This car is ideal for those looking for a classic car with extensive mechanical repairs already done. Number 6, a 1968 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $12,200. It has a new 355 engine, 350 turbo transmission, and a 10-bolt rear posse, equipped with power steering, power brakes, tubbed rear fuel tank, and a solid connected frame. This car runs strong, sounds great, drives well, and stops well. The interior is in good condition with new carpet, new rear brakes, new heater core, new alternator, new exhaust, new inner fenders, and fiberglass front fenders. Many new parts have been installed, and the car comes with spare parts boxes, including new chrome in the package. You know this is a classic car with strong performance and attractive looks. Number 7, a 1969 Dodge Monaco convertible, priced at $14,500. It has a 360 cu 5.9L V8 engine and an automatic transmission installed in 2004. A new convertible top was installed 7 years ago. This car is only driven in the summer and stored in the winter. Alternator, battery, oil pan gasket, and transmission pan gasket have been replaced. The car runs and functions very well, making it the perfect vehicle for summer driving. Number 8. A 1977 Pontiac LeMans two-door, priced at $7,600. In very good condition. This car has only 99,000 original miles. Equipped with a 305 cubic inch engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It has never been in an accident and has been well maintained. The owner has been the only owner since new. This is a great opportunity for you and collectors. Number 9, a 1915 Ford Model T, priced at $12,300. Looking for a new owner after being part of the family for over 100 years. All original, in very good condition, stored indoors. It's his friend's car, and he's just helping to sell it. If you're interested, you can check the link below the video description. Number 10, a 1949 Ford Custom Shoebox, priced at $12,000, with custom modifications, including equipped rear doors. This car has undergone many repairs such as new floors and trunk, lowered with lower springs and blocks, new brakes, and a new 3-speed transmission. The flathead engine has just been renovated at a cost of over $7,000. The interior features new carpet, new door panels, a new headliner, and clean seats without tears. The car has been rewired with a 12V system and a new generator, and has new chrome bumpers and bias ply tires on all wheels. The body of the car is coated with a very smooth base clear coat for 1949, with louved hood, French headlights and taillights, and an antenna. It also comes with a Fulton visor. Some final touches are still needed, like installing the rear door popper, passenger door key, and trunk latch. This is a great deal for a car that has been modified so neatly. Number 11, a 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $13,000. This car features a 351 Windsor V4 engine matching the number, and a 9-inch rear end. The car can run and drive. Much work has been done from the engine to the exhaust. The interior is in good condition and the windows are also good. Needs some body work, but at this affordable price, the owner has too many other ongoing projects. Number 12, a 1971 Plymouth Fury 3, priced at $11,600, powered by a 318 engine. The engine is in A1 condition, and the body is very clean. This very attractive car could find a new choice for you. There's no long description of this car, just that. Number 13, a 1967 Mercury Montcalm convertible, priced at $6,900. This rare car comes equipped with bucket seats and an S33 console, plus the factory M-code 410 Marauder engine. It uses a 390 engine with a 428 crankshaft produced only for 2 years, 1966 and 1967. The Montcalm is a special model. The engine runs strong with 160 psi compression in all cylinders. It has a new fuel tank, master cylinder, and reconditioned carburetor. With a solid frame and all-steel body, this car is very appealing to you. Number 14, a 1968 Ford Ranchero, priced at $9,400. It features a 5.0 302 engine with mild cam, headers, and automatic transmission. Mileage is 120,000 kilometers. A rare truck in good condition, suitable for those looking for a 60s Ford, with no long description from the owner. Number 15, a 1963 Chrysler 300, two-door hardtop, priced at $12,200. Features a 4013 V8 automatic engine. This car is in very good overall condition. Originally from California and restored about 25 years ago. Runs and drives as expected. The only drawback is a non-functional speedometer. Number 16, a 1965 Rambler 440 American, priced at $8,700. All original, 6-cylinder inline engine with 192 HP, in very good condition. This rare car has won various awards as a luxurious convertible, available for purchase in the video description. Number 17, a 1964 Buick LeSabre, priced at $8,700. This car runs very well in great condition with 90,000 kilometers mileage. You know, although not a showroom car, it has a charming patina. Price is negotiable and willing to trade for a Ford Mustang Fox body. Number 18, a 1968 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $12,300. Fully restored and in excellent condition. Low mileage since restoration completed last year. Equipped with a 318 engine paired with a 904 automatic transmission. Dana 44 rear end with 3.55 gears and front disc brakes. This car runs and drives very well, always attracting attention and fun to drive around. Already insured and ready to enjoy this summer. Number 19, a 1973 Pontiac Ventura, priced at $6,500, with a 1974 GTO front end and a shaker hood scoop. Equipped with a Pontiac 350 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. This car runs and drives well. Take it if you're interested. Number 20, a 1971 Pontiac Parisian Brougham, priced at $7,200. This classic four-door car with a 350 engine and only 5,700 miles is in outstanding condition despite its age. The interior is clean, though the seats need repair due to wear and are currently covered with front seat covers. This car runs and drives exceptionally well, with minimal rust limited to the bottom of the fenders. It has many new parts, including shock absorbers, brakes, stabilizer links, a pitman arm, and an exhaust system, making it very solid with no rust holes or issues. The car comes with 2 sets of wheels, factory 15 wheels with hubcaps and 22 chrome dub wheels with 2 new tires. The audio system is very loud, enhancing the driving experience, and it often stands out at car shows. This car is ready to drive, needing nothing for safety, and the owner is open to trades for a lowrider. Potential buyers are encouraged to do their research, as the asking price is more than fair. Number 21, a 1967 Cadillac Coupe Deville, priced at $13,400. This classic white car with 24 chrome wheels is very luxurious, equipped with a powerful Ford 29 engine and a 15-inch 2000 RMS subwoofer for an unforgettable driving experience. Don't miss the chance to own this piece of automotive history. It comes with a new radiator, new power steering pump, new brake booster, and an electronic distributor. Number 22, a 1965 Barracuda Fastback, priced at $7,200. It features a rebuilt 318 engine and a 727 automatic transmission. The car comes with many body panels and all parts complete. It is offered at a low price or negotiable. This car needs to be finished. What are you waiting for? Buy it now. Number 23, a 1974 Oldsmobile Delta Royale, priced at $9,700. This original car is very well maintained with no signs of corrosion. Powered by a 350 Ci rocket V8 engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle has covered 70,600 miles. In excellent condition, this car offers reliable performance and a pleasant driving experience. Number 24, a 1937 Jaguar SS100, priced at $7,200. The owner only accepts cash payments and is not open to trades or rentals. This is a kit car with a fiberglass body on a steel frame, made in the US by Antique and Classic Auto Inc. It is registered as a 1991 kit car, the year the kit was completed. It is sold with a safety inspection. You now know that the current owner is the second owner. The car is powered by a 2.8-liter Ford V6 engine with a carburetor and automatic transmission. It includes the original assembly manual. It is being sold due to insufficient garage space at the new home. Number 20, a classic 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $8,300. With doors like these, it needs an attentive owner to spend time caring for it. This car needs repairs on the front headlamp lens, actuators, and stereo cables. Also needs upgraded actuators for the rear lights and has a tear in the driver's front seat. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos.